It's long-term what? Okay, let's get started. Do you remember the Energizer Bunny that kept interrupting commercials in the 1980s?
Still going. Long-lasting Energizer batteries. Keep going and going.
Today I'm reviewing Asset Care, a hybrid long-term care insurance policy whose benefits keep going and going for your entire lifetime. Before we dive in, this was recorded in September of 2025. Policies get updates every few years, so be sure to check the link in the description for any changes. You'll also find star ratings for how Asset Care stacks up against other top policies. First, let's talk about some standard benefits that come with most modern policies. Your benefits kick in when you need help with 2 daily activities like dressing or bathing, or if you have a cognitive impairment like Alzheimer's. From there, you're covered for care at home, in assisted living, in memory care, or in a nursing home. All your benefits are tax-free. You can add benefit growth, so your payouts grow every year to keep up with rising care costs, and your annual premium, that's locked in. It never goes up. Now let's talk about some standout features of this policy that make it special. The biggest is lifetime benefits. Yep, this one's a doozy. While most policies cap benefits at 6 or 8 years, Asset Care just keeps going and going. It's one of only 2 policies out there with the option of lifetime benefits. And as of this recording, it's the better value of the pair by a wide margin. So why would you want lifetime benefits? Well, a large study found that for adults who make it to the age of 65, about 10% will need more than 8 years of care, usually due to cognitive decline, like Alzheimer's. 10%. And if you and your spouse apply, the odds of either of you needing longer care roughly doubles. As you might expect, lifetime benefits cost more than shorter options, but they might be more affordable than you think, especially if you get their joint policy. A joint policy means 2 people are covered under the same policy. So how's that different than buying 2 individual policies? Well, to zoom out, Asset Care is a hybrid policy, which means you get both long-term care coverage and life insurance. Your kids get a refund of what you paid if you never need care. With the joint policy, you're allocated more benefits for care and less for life insurance. This smart trade-off reduces the refund, but makes lifetime care benefits far more affordable. Another standout feature is cash payouts. Sorta. When you need care, policies usually pay benefits either as reimbursement or as cash that you can use any way you'd like. Asset Care is primarily a reimbursement policy, but in 2024, they added a limited cash option with a few caveats. It's only available for the first 2 years of care, and it only pays 75% of your monthly benefit instead of the full 100%. OneAmerica added this limited cash benefit so you can pay a family member or a neighbor in the early stages of care. After 2 years, benefits switch to reimbursement only for formal care. A related standout feature is a flexible waiting period. For most policies, benefits don't start until 90 days after you need care. With Asset Care, there's no waiting period if you begin care at home. Benefits kick in right away. OneAmerica also offers great care coordination. When you or a loved one needs care, it's a stressful time choosing a facility or updating your home. OneAmerica helps by providing top-notch care coordination through their own in-house team in Indianapolis, not using third-party vendors like other insurers. They offer a care benefit concierge to guide you through the claims process, a care coordinator to help you find local providers, and a caregiver consultant who gives free monthly coaching to family members providing care at home. Collectively, you'll feel the TLC when LTC is needed. Now, a quick commercial break.
You get 2 tacos, 2 tamales, and 2 burritos for only 29 cents.
Everything's cheap and nothing's pricey. We make burritos.
Still going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer battery.
Okay, back to the policy stuff. Asset Care also offers good tax breaks for a hybrid. Like most policies, you receive benefits tax-free, but Asset Care splits the premiums between life insurance and long-term care insurance, which helps unlock more tax breaks when you pay premiums. Asset Care also allows you to pay with qualified funds. If you've got an IRA or a 401k, OneAmerica makes it easy to use them to buy coverage. Okay, so some big picture thoughts. As someone who works with many different policies, Asset Care really stands out for its impressive lifetime benefits that keep going and going, just like the Energizer Bunny. In my opinion, Asset Care is the gold standard in coverage. I wish it offered full cash benefits, But that trade-off is what helps keep this policy more affordable. And it's not just the policy that stands out, it's the company and the people behind it. OneAmerica Financial has been around before the advent of cars. They're highly rated and have been selling long-term care policies since 1989. And because they're a mutual company, they're owned by policyholders, not stockholders, so their interests stay aligned with yours. And this might sound a little soft, but I've gotten to know some of the OneAmerica team, and from my experience, they genuinely care about long-term care. For them, it feels like more than just a transaction. And my wife and I even chose Asset Care as our own coverage, so I back up these opinions with my own choice. Check out another video sharing how we reached this decision. Still, no single policy is right for everyone, and that's why at Long Term What, we look across all the top insurers to help you find the best fit for your needs. I'm Jesse, and this is Long Term What? If this helped, share it with someone who needs it, like it so more people see it, and subscribe for more unboring long-term care tips. To request quotes or to learn more, visit longtermwhat.com or see the link in the description. Thanks.
Nowadays, you can shop for anything at home. I can even shop for underwear. In my underwear. At inmyunderwear.com.
Still going.